Hey everyone.
In this video, I'll guide you on how to recover deleted posts, photos, and videos from your Facebook account with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then, select the settings icon from the menu. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. Now, tap on Download your information. Click on Request a download. Here you can choose your Facebook profile, then tap Next. Next, click on Select Types of Information. Now, you'll need to choose what you want to recover. If you want to restore your Facebook posts, photos, and videos, select Posts. After that, tap Next. In the Notifications section, select your email address. Then choose the format as HTML. Your information is now being prepared for download. The process might take a bit of time, depending on the size of your files. Once it's ready, you'll get a notification. In the meantime, go back to the home page. Then, check your notifications and wait for the notification to arrive.